What's up YouTube, Real Trader Joe here, bringing you guys real-time trials, tribulations, and triumphs from a part-time trader. It's our first video on YouTube, and I'm going at it like a hamster on cocaine on the wheel, man. Just had a loose plan, we'll see if it all falls off the tracks, but we're going at full speed like the Titanic before it crashed into the iceberg. Ignore these similes and metaphors, man. I'm just in a great mood, and we're going to get right to it. So, topic of this video, and one thing that I truly believe in my heart is the one disadvantage to trading stocks. That's right, the one disadvantage to trading stocks is that they're binary, right? That has a lot of interesting implications that we'll explore in a second, but I like everybody to see what I'm talking about, right? Always easier to just show people what you mean. So this is Corsair Gaming. It's one of my positions, and these are my 300 shares on it. Average cost of about 38.20, right? And you can see here it goes up and down, and that's it. You know, I make money if the stock goes up, and I lose money if the stock goes down. That is the primary topic of today's video, and I just want you guys to capture this image in your head. Burn it into your skulls, and I'll explain a better way to trade the market in just a second. Okay, now with that last graph burned into your head, take a look at this baby. We got green on both sides of the current price. It's currently trading in the pre-market at about 38.6, so right about here, and we're green if it goes up, and we're green if it goes down. For those of you who are familiar with options, this is the magic of the option, baby. This is the 45 call for the March monthly expiration strike, which we are short, and for those of you who are unfamiliar with options, I know I just blasted out a bunch of gibberish at you, but we'll get to that in all the second. The main takeaway from all this is that it's unlike our previous graph in that we have green on both sides. Bam, bam. You gotta admit, this is cool. Just like a movie. The robot will emerge dramatically, do some damage, throw some screaming people, and just when all hope is lost, Syndrome will save the day. Incredibles, anybody? I hope you guys got that one. I quote movies all the time. You're gonna hear me do it throughout the channel. But, like I said, main thing to take away here, profitability on both sides of the graph, and this is the advantage to trading options, is that we have options. We have a range of profitability, right? We're profitable if the stock goes up or down, provided that this doesn't go too far. And we'll get into the mechanics of options and hedging risk and all that kind of stuff later, but for now I just want you guys to keep this in mind and consider that there may be a better alternative to trading stocks in terms of ranges of profitability. Okay, so you might be saying to me, Joey, alright, so you showed me two graphs with two ranges of profitability. I don't understand what's going on here. Why does that matter? And I got two words for you. Less stress. This chart is going to stress you out less if you can define where you make money and where you lose money. Take a look at this. 300 shares at 38.21. I am right now just about even after all this time. This graph determines whether or not I make or lose money. If it's down here, I lose. If it's up here, I win. If you trade options in a specific way, you can define the range for yourself, which means I can say, hey, I want to lose money at 50 and I want to lose money at 20, and anywhere in between, I'm good. So, you know, less stress. If you can always choose where you make and where you lose money, as opposed to having the market tell you where you make or lose money, stocks, excuse me, then you're going to be in better shape. And we'll get to all that with the basics of the options contract in the next video. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. I would say smash the like button, but every YouTuber says that, and I kind of want the like button to get a little more love. So, you know, maybe loving verbs with the likes and the subscribes and the comments. I'll think of something, but we'll get to it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.